how to change language on Telegram. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you change your language on Telegram easily. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you have to open up your Telegram application on your device and make sure to log into the account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface or your chats with your friends or anyone. So as a first step, you have to tap on the three-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and you have to go through your settings. On the settings, you'll be able to see your informations like your account, settings and all. You have to scroll down to the button where you'll be able to see language option. So simply tap over language and here are the various languages. Here I have chosen English. You can choose your preferred one, which are many more options over here, and after that your language will be changed. So this is how you change language on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.